Hi everyone, my name is Edwin Johnson. I'm the owner of Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. Because of time, I've gone ahead and prepared some of the hair to start with. I'm going to complete the opposite side for you. To add to that, we're going to add some little cool embellishments to make it stand out. So again, I'm using the HAIRPLAY Styling Gel. I'm going to start working into my ponytail that I've made on the opposite side. And you'll see that I purposely manipulate the hair into the direction of the ponytail. I'm using a fine tooth comb. I'm basically just connecting with the previous ponytail. We're of course going to use our THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray. Then I'm going to slide the iron out and I'm going to curl the hair in the opposite direction. This time I'm going to do sort of a bit of a wave technique, starting at her cheekbones. And then I'm going to slide the iron in the opposite direction. We're going to take the crystal embellishments so I can just add them onto the hair. I'm going to use the HAIRPLAY Dry Wax. I hope you liked our techniques today. Thank you for joining us. Have yourself a great day. Thank you.